Spring Vitamin Plate. How to enrich the body with vitamins at minimal cost. Nutritionist advice and recipes. Were you shocked by the prices in stores for early vegetables? But after the winter, the body, exhausted nervously and physically, desperately needs to replenish the supply of vitamins and minerals. So how to be? A nutritionist says, it is possible to enrich the body at minimal cost, using greenery that has already appeared or is about to appear in gardens, household plots, cottages, yards, and the like. Dishes prepared with the addition of spring, pasture, greenery diversify the diet, enrich the body with vitamins and minerals, and save the family budget. You just need to know what and how you can cook from spring greens. Ramsen is a vitamin chest. Ramsen, aka bear onion, wild garlic, chenzili, laverda, samardala, says the nutritionist, is a real storehouse of vitamins, trace elements, minerals and amino acids. It is already grown in cottages, gardens, orchards, household plots. Ramsen contains a large amount of vitamin C, essential oils, phytoncides and lysozyme and is considered an effective prophylactic for acute respiratory diseases. It stimulates appetite, improves the functioning of the digestive system and reduces the risk of developing thyroid diseases. It is also used for beriberi. Ramsen stimulates the heart and cleanses the blood, and also reduces blood pressure and the risk of stroke. But when using wild garlic, the nutritionist emphasizes, you need to know when to stop. The daily norm of wild garlic is from 10 to 25 leaves, because busting can cause insomnia, headaches and indigestion. And it should not be eaten by those who have a stomach ulcer, gastritis, cholecystitis, hepatitis, pancreatitis and epilepsy. If you don't have such problems, then feel free to add wild garlic to salads, sandwiches, soups, sauces. Wild garlic appetizer. Ingredients. Wild garlic, 1 bunch. White cheese, 200 g. Sour cream, 6 tablespoons. Butter, 100 g. Salt to taste. Cooking method. Wash the young wild garlic thoroughly, dry, cut into large pieces and put in a blender. Add cottage cheese, sour cream, soft butter, salt. And beat everything until smooth. Such an appetizer can be eaten with black bread, with hot potatoes in uniforms, on canapés, or with hard-boiled eggs. Can be stored in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Fried eggs with wild garlic and cheese. Ingredients. Wild garlic, 300 g. Butter, 15 to 20 g. Eggs, 2 pieces. Salted hard cheese. Salt to taste. Cooking method. Sort fresh wild garlic, wash, put in boiling salted water and cook for 5 minutes. Drain, then lightly fry in butter, pour over beaten eggs, sprinkle with grated salted cheese at the end. Marinated wild garlic. Ingredients. Wild garlic, 60 stalks. Salt, 1. 5 tablespoons. Sugar, 1 tablespoon. Vinegar, 150 milliliters. Cooking method. Cut the wild garlic stems from both ends, rinse and soak in cold water for 2 hours to release bitterness. After that, bring 1 liter of water to a boil, add salt, sugar and vinegar to it and cool to room temperature. Tie the stems into bundles of 10 to 20 pieces, put them vertically in a tall jar and pour warm marinade over so that the stems are completely covered. After 5 days, pickled wild garlic is ready. Enjoy. What is useful young nettle? Nettle contains vitamins A, B, C, E, K, iron, magnesium, copper, calcium, silicon, selenium and phytonutrients, in particular flavonoids that prevent heart disease, phytoncides and organic acids. Juicy young stems and leaves of nettle, rich a source of chlorophyll, and it perfectly regulates metabolic processes in the body, helps to normalize sugar levels, strengthens the immune system. The high content of vitamin K improves blood clotting, says the nutritionist. True, it should not be consumed by hypertensive patients and those who suffer from varicose veins, thrombophlebitis and atherosclerosis. In such people it can provoke the formation of blood clots. Nettle is also undesirable in the diet of pregnant women. Soups and salads with young nettles are prepared, as a rule, only in the spring, but, according to the nutritionist, you can use it throughout the season. In the spring, in a young nettle bush, everything is edible and useful, leaves, stem. But in the summer it is worth picking only young leaves from the tops of the youngest nettles. It is there that all the best that is in nettle is concentrated. And one more important detail, to collect nettles, and other greens are not allowed near highways, roads, enterprises, and the like. But plants plucked in the garden, in the field, in the garden, in the country can be safely used to prepare vitamin dishes. Focaccia with Parmesan and nettle pesto. Focaccia ingredients. Flour, 300 g plus 4 sprinkling the work surface. Water, 250 milliliters. Parmesan, 160 g. Dry yeast, 5 g. Oil, 3 tablespoons, L plus 4 product lubrication. Salt, 3 g. Pesto ingredients. Young nettle, 60 g. Olive oil, 100 milliliters. Garlic, 2 cloves. Walnuts, 40 g. Parmesan, 20 g. Salt, 0. 5 teaspoon. Cooking method. Sift flour into a deep bowl, add salt, yeast and Parmesan, and pouring warm water and oil in a thin stream, knead a smooth, homogeneous dough. Cover the dough with a towel and let it rise for 35 to 40 minutes. After that, punch down the dough, divide into 2 equal parts and roll each into an even layer. Put the layers of dough on the sheets, grease with vegetable oil, cover with a cloth and let rise for another 15 minutes. Bake focaccia in a hot, 180 degrees C, oven for 10 to 15 minutes. Dry the nuts in a pan without fat, transfer to a kitchen towel and rub well to get rid of the brown skin. Rinse the nettles, sort, dry and pour over boiling water on a sieve. Peel the garlic. Place all ingredients in a blender bowl and grind. Pour olive oil in a thin stream, grind in several steps until smooth and beat well. Stir grated Parmesan into the prepared mass. Cut the finished focaccia into portions and pour over the nettle pesto. Nettle salad. Ingredients. Nettle, 1 bunch. Green onions, 3 pcs. Parsley, 3 sprigs. Eggs, 2 pcs. Butter, or sour cream, to taste. Salt, pepper, to taste. Cooking method. Pour boiling water over nettle leaves and cut with a ceramic knife or tear with your hands. Chop green onions and parsley with a knife. Cut boiled eggs into small cubes. Combine all the ingredients, add salt and pepper, season with vegetable oil or sour cream and the vitamin salad is ready. Nettle smoothie. Ingredients. Nettle, 1 bunch. Spinach, 1 bunch. Banana, 1 pc. Apple, 1 pc. Lemon juice, to taste. Water, 70 to 120 milliliters. Peel apple and banana and cut into small pieces. Pour boiling water over the nettles, rinse the spinach well under running water. Put all the ingredients in a blender bowl, pour a little water, not all, and beat. If the smoothie is too thick, add a little more water and beat lightly. In a dandelion, all parts are useful, leaves, flowers, and roots. Dandelion contains lutein, teraxanthin, flavoxanthin, arnidiol, faradiol, triterpene alcohols. Dandelion milk juice contains taraxacin and taraxacerin, rubber substances. The inflorescences and leaves contain teraxanthin, flavoxanthin, vitamin C, A, B2, E, PP, choline, saponins, resins, taraxacerin, salts of manganese, iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. Says the nutritionist. Dandelion bitterness stimulates appetite and improves digestion. Dandelion also has a choleretic, diuretic, antispasmodic, anti-inflammatory and laxative effect. True, it also has contraindications. People with stomach ulcers, with high acidity and a tendency to frequent diarrhea should refuse it. Salad of eggs and dandelion leaves. Ingredients. Dandelion leaves, young, 100 g. Boiled egg, 3 pcs. Sour cream, to taste. Salt, to taste. Lemon juice, to taste. Grated horseradish, to taste. Cooking method. Soak dandelion leaves in cold salted water for 20 minutes, to remove bitterness, then fold in a colander to make the water glass well, cut it into pieces. Cut the eggs into cubes, add grated horseradish if desired, you can do without it, salt, season the salad with sour cream and lemon juice. Chinese dandelion salad. Ingredients. Dandelion leaves, 0. 5 kilograms. Garlic, 1 clove. Carrots, 1 pc. Soy sauce, 2 tablespoons. Oil any. Cooking method. Wash dandelion leaves thoroughly and dry. Grate the carrots, squeeze the garlic through the garlic press. Combine all ingredients, season with oil, salt to taste. After that, you need to leave the salad for a while until the juice appears. Dandelion honey. Ingredients. Dandelion flowers, 300 pcs. Sugar, 1 kilogram. Water, 400 milliliters. Half a lemon. Cooking method. Dandelion flowers should be collected on a sunny day, at lunchtime, so that they fully open. Boil water, add sugar and boil the syrup. Pour washed dandelion inflorescences into syrup and boil for 20 minutes. At the end of cooking, add lemon juice to the syrup and boil for another 3 minutes. Then remove from heat and leave for a day, so that the honey is infused. After that, strain and squeeze through cheesecloth. Boil the resulting syrup for another 20 minutes. You can enjoy dandelion with honey. If you cooked a lot, then you can twist it into jars. Thank you for taking the time to watch our content. If you find our video interesting, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for upcoming content. To stay up to date with our latest offerings, kindly click the bell icon. Additionally, we have included some valuable links in the video description below, which we encourage you to check out. We look forward to your continued presence on our channel.